Hello guys, welcome to Tech in Travel. So here I have an Apple Watch Series 7. This is the 45mm version with midnight aluminum case, essentially black, combined with the midnight leather link. So overall these straps have been pretty wonderful, but I wanted to try something new and I ordered these straps, these are Fullmosa straps for the size 42, 44, 45, essentially obviously backward compatible with all the larger sizes Apple Watches. This in particular is the Fulmosa leather strap in Smokey Grey Buckle. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So let me go ahead and open this up. Yeah, probably not as graceful as Apple Watch straps are, but here we go. This is the first look at the strap. We do get some service card. That's good to know. It shows some instructions on how to install. That's good. One can install the buckle separately. That's interesting. Okay, and here we have the kit. We have the kit with the band. That's a pretty good color, exactly what I wanted. So let me just place it here along the watch. So this is pretty interesting. So this package includes the packing box, the manual, of course, the headband, which is this particular band, the spring bar handle, which is the tool here, and then the tail band, which of course is the band here. So overall looks pretty interesting. It's obviously for this Apple Watch and for the size. So let's go ahead and firstly install it on our Apple Watch. So I'm gonna go take the top band out first. I'm gonna place it here, and then all right, I'm gonna take out the bottom band as well. Place it right here. Looks pretty solid and pretty good. So there we have. I have my Fulmosa leather band with a smoke gray buckle and the color that it is. This particular band looks pretty solid. I think I really like the contrasting colors here, the midnight or the black to go with this luxurious brownish leather finish. I really like it. So here was the unboxing of the Fulmosa leather band. First impressions, honestly, I really do like it. It looks premium. This is a good quality, consistent leather. I like it. I like that there is some fit and finish. It comes in a professional box along with a manual as well. So yeah, overall, I sort of like what I see here.
For more such unbiased reviews and for the latest on Tech in Travel, subscribe to our channel Tech in Travel.